Let me show you how to connect your WordPress website with ChatGPT or Claude for absolutely free so that your AI of choice, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, can actually take actions on your WordPress website. And everything I'm going to show you is completely free to get started. So I have this WordPress website, and the first thing we'll do is install a WordPress plugin that will give access to our AI to our WordPress website. My tool of choice is called WP Vibe. It's an MCP server. You can see it's an MCP server for WordPress, and it's the most reliable, has the best, I'd say, compatibility, and has a lot of free resources that will help you get started and what your ability to do it. Plus, if you go to the pricing plan, you'll see that I'm personally using the free plan as well. So you can see here, I'm upgrading from the free plan. So it's free to get started. You don't need to have a paid plan, and you get a generous tool call. So that means around 100 operations a day you can use for absolutely free. So 100 operations a day is most people's, I'd say, more than what most people actually do. So the free plan is perfectly good, but if you do it more than, or you use it more often, then you can use the pro plan. And the best part is that you'll get an extra allowance for the first 7 days. So you'll be able to use your website more with AI. Plus, you can connect more than one website. So there's no limit to how many websites you can connect, even if you're in the free plan. And there is no restriction on what you can do depending on the plan. Some companies, what they do is, if you're on the free plan or the low tier plan, then they'll restrict the operations you can do. This is not the case. Even if you're on the free plan, you can do absolutely all the things that any of the plans can do. It's just the limitation of how much you can use it. So that's why it's the best choice when it comes to using WordPress with AI. So coming back, what we'll do is install a WordPress plugin for WP Vibe. It's absolutely free. So I'll go to plugins. I'll go to add plugin. And I'll search for WP Vibe. WP Vibe. And this is the logo. You can see it here. This is the exact logo. So we'll install this plugin here. And the plugin installed, let's also activate it. And once it's activated, let's head to the plugin itself, and it'll instantly give us instructions on what to do. So I'll go to WP Vibe here, and I'll go to WP Vibe. And here you can see the plugin installed, but our website is not connected. And here it gives us the instructions. What I'm going to do is split my screen now with Claude and ChatGPT as well, so I can show you what needs to be done with the tool of your choice. And it works with other AI tools as well. So you can use Cursor, Gemini, or any open source model that supports MCP. I'm going to demonstrate it with Claude, but I'm also going to show you how it works with ChatGPT. So I've split my screen into WordPress and ChatGPT or Claude. I'm using Claude, but I'll demonstrate with ChatGPT as well. So let's follow the process. We have to add this MCP server to our AI client. So I'll copy the URL of the MCP server, and connecting the MCP, you have to use a custom connector. So let me show you how. Inside my desktop app, I'm going to go to settings here. There's a settings. And in settings, I'm going to go to connectors. Inside connectors, I'll just use the add option, and I'll use add custom connector. This is how it works with Claude. And I can name it anything I like. So I'm just going to name it WP Vibe just to see it, keep it simple. WP Vibe. And here's the most important part. The remote server URL has to match what you see here. Once this is done, you don't have to go to the advanced settings. All you do is just click add and wait for a few minutes. And once it's done, you'll see that the connector is done, but it's not connected yet because there's some approval required. So all I'll do is just click connect, and it should open up a couple of browser windows. You can see here. And here you see the browser tab is automatically open. Make sure that the account that you're using on your profile is the same. Sometimes you'll run into trouble if the account logged into the browser is different from the account logged into ChatGPT and everything else. So the browser account and everything should match. Basically use the same email account. So all I'm going to do is just add my email address here and sign in. So I'm going to just do that. And this is my email. I'll sign in. And it'll send me a unique code to log in to this. And all I'll do is check my email. So I'll just going to switch this for a second. And this is my sign-in code. So I'll copy this, and I'm going to enter the 6-digit code. I'm going to click continue. And you can see that my website is now connected, or my account is now connected. I can click open Claude, and it'll open up Claude, and it'll say everything is done. And if you want to learn how to use this with ChatGPT, then all you have to do is go to your plugins section in ChatGPT. I'm on the Go plan, which is specific to India, but the free plan should work. And what you can do is just search for WP Vibe, and you'll find the WP Vibe connector here. Just click this, and it'll be connected to your ChatGPT account, and you do the same process. Just have to connect your website, sign into WP Vibe, and perform the same process, and it perfectly works as well. So since the custom connector now works, let's try to connect to our website. What I'm going to do is copy the website link, or I can copy the instructions here. that connect to my site. It's already given here with the website URL. So I'll just go in and paste it here. And I'll just add using WP Vibe, and it should work. So it'll give us a new connecting or URL, which is a first time authorization. So it should give us that in a second. And once we have that, we'll click that link and our website will be authorized, and then our website will be connected automatically with, or not automatically, but should be connected with WP Vibe. So that's the link. I'm going to click on that here, and this will create an application password. This is completely fine. This is a one-time thing. Let's click approve of this connection, and the site is now connected. Now we can actually perform actions on our website using the WP Vibe connection. So I'm going to use my audio transcription to actually give instructions. I've authorized the link. Can you now fetch the blog posts that are present on the website so that I can confirm you are connected to the website? And now you can see that the blog posts are being fetched. And if I go here on the site, you'll be able to see that these are the actual blog posts that are present on the site. I might have to reduce the zoom a little bit, but you can see the exact same blog posts are actually published on the site. So now that the connection is done, what can we actually do? What kind of operations can you perform with WP Vibe? So the easiest way is to ask the chat directly, what can you do? But you can publish posts, you can delete posts, you can do destructive actions as well, which will require approval, but you can upload images and do a lot of other things. The easiest way for you to understand what is possible is just by going to WP Vibe's website. So if I go to the website, on the resources, you'll find something called a cookbook, which is a list of instructions on what is possible. So if you come here, you'll see that you have plugins specific instructions well. So it supports Beaver Builder, Breakdance, Bricks, Divi, Elementor, Fluent Cart, Fluent Community, all these different page builders and form plugins and everything else. And it also has different instructions. So you can go through this. For example, if you want to try something with Elementor, so just type it. And you can see, you can edit an existing page and you can read the recipe and just copy and paste this directly on your Claude account or chat account or ChatGPT or Gemini account and actually do the job. So this is one a great way. The cookbook is a great way to discover what is possible, or just ask ChatGPT or Claude to tell you what is possible. And what if you want to remove your website? Let me show you that as well. So all you have to do is just go to the users, go to your own profile, which you use to connect your account, scroll down to the bottom, and you'll find the application password entry right here. So you can see here, there's an application password entry. All you have to do is click revoke, and it will revoke the access and your website will not be connected to WP Vibe.